Hi you all, welcome back to my channel Style Theory by Jazz. I'm Jayashree and I create videos related to fashion, makeup and travel. Now today I'm here with another interesting video where we'll talk about wardrobe essentials in 2021. Now I'm sure you all might have seen a similar videos on YouTube, but this video will be little different and I hope it helps you in curating your wardrobe essentials in a new way. So before jumping right into the video, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I would come up with more such videos for you all. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now wardrobe essentials can vary as per the clothes you prefer to wear, but I suggest you keep these essentials ready and then your life will be sorted. The very first essential is definitely a swaggery. Now we all have a black and white one for sure. We wear it especially when our top is transparent or see-through, but I would highly recommend to have at least a colored one. I am wearing right now a dark green one and I have paired it with a blazer. Especially during summer, the fabric is very breathable and it feels very comfortable. The another one I have is this lacy one. Now I think it's a mix of a spaghetti and a tank. Now if you have a party wear top which is very transparent, you can wear it under that and it instantly glams up the whole top. So I got this spaghetti from Chemistry, and the colored one I got it from Pantaloons. You can check out Ajio and Myntra as well for this spaghettis. The second essential is a t-shirt. Now there are days when you think that you have nothing to wear. On those days you can grab these t-shirts and pair it with a classic blue denim or shorts or a blazer. Now you can also dress it up or dress it down, accessorize it, or just grab a block heels and it will definitely elevate your whole outfit. Now the one I have is a white and this black. I got this t-shirts from Myntra. Now I'm not a very big fan of v-neck t-shirts. I have a few, but I am fond of like round neck t-shirts. This looks very classy. Also invest on a good pastel shades t-shirts. I have this blue one. I got it from H&M. You can also grab this from Forever 21 or West Side. The third essential is a classic blazer. A structured blazer is a must in every girl's wardrobe. Now there are times when you just want to glam up or elevate a basic outfit, or just want to layer up with a sleeveless dress. So I have this black one. I would suggest that at least have a black or white or a nude one. Now you can get this blazer from H&M or Zara or Ajio or West Side. I have seen some good blazers in Myntra as well, so you can check out that too. And I got this blazer from H&M. Now there are some tips which you should always look for whenever you are going to buy a blazer or a jacket. It should always have an extra room whenever you want to layer it up with a turtleneck top or any sweater or any top, because otherwise you'll feel very uncomfortable. Always check whether it can be rolled down to your elbows with ease or not, and it should not be longer than your wrist, otherwise it will not look clean. The fourth essential is stockings. Now if you're not comfortable with short dresses, or if you're running short of time for waxing, stockings will definitely help you. Now I would recommend to have at least a nude and a black one. The one I have has a glossy finish. Again, it looks very natural too. You can get this from Zivame or Myntra. Now the fifth essential is evergreen classic black dress. Now if you're not fond of very short dresses, you can always opt for the evening black gown. Now a black dress can never go out of style. It always has and always will be in fashion. Now the one I have, I got it from Myntra. You can get it in different patterns or a different neck, or you can also get it with sleeves. Now you can always change the look by just changing the accessories or changing the hairstyles, or just by changing the pair of heels. You can wear black heels, white heels, nudes, or adding any pop of color like yellow heels or orange. It will look damn classy. I would highly recommend this to all the girls, and it's such a versatile piece. You can wear it to party or a wedding reception, or just if you're going for a luxury dinner, it will look great. Now the sixth essential is definitely a good pair of denim. Nowadays wide leg denim, mom fit denims, and baggy jeans, these are in trend, which are more voluminous and relaxed. You can pair this up with sweatshirts or just crop tops. It looks very classy and also makes a very cool outfit for college. Now the one I have is this baggy denim. I got it from Urbanic. It is very comfortable. You can also hide your love handles. This is very chic and classy. And the other one I got it from Myntra. This is a wide leg denim. This is bleach washed. It's very light, and I usually paired it with dark color tops or t-shirts. It looks very trendy. The seventh essential is a shrug. Now I know a shrug is a woman's best friend. We all look for it whenever we are heading for a quick grocery run. We all love wearing tank tops or swaggies at home, especially now when we are working from home. But believe me, a shrug is just not made for that coverage. It is also meant for to accentuate the whole outfit. And the one I have is this, I got from Myntra. Short shrugs are just not my jam. I love long shrugs. I always go for them. I would recommend that always look for a breathable fabric. This is very light and breathable. You can also pair them with basic t-shirts or shorts. It looks damn good. The eighth essential is a good pair of classic blue denim shorts. Now it's totally up to you what kind of shorts do you prefer, like high waist, mid waist or low waist. I always go for the mid waist. The one I have, I got it from Myntra again, because mid waist always gives a cleaner look. If you have already a basic blue one, then you can go for a distressed shorts. It also looks very very trendy. Now it will always remain a very staple piece in every girl's wardrobe. This is very versatile. You can literally pair this up with any top like floral, organza, or just spaghetti and a shrug. It also makes a very beautiful beach outfit. You can also pair this up with a denim shirt or a denim top, to make the look more elongating and more flattering. So the ninth essential is a kurta. Now every girl's wardrobe is definitely incomplete with this one beautiful ethnic piece. Now kurta can be worn literally anywhere from casual to party. They look beautiful, sober and elegant. I love styling my kurtas with silver jewelries, heavy earrings or neck pieces. You can also style them with palazzos or pants or denims. Now the one I have, I got it from Lucknow. It's beautiful white kurta. Always invest on a basic white or black kurta, or you can have one in printed or embellished one. You can check out Myntra, Biba, Global Desi for this kurtas. They have a wide range of kurta collection. Now the one thing I love about kurta is it suits every body type. It looks beautiful on everybody. So the 10th essential is definitely a shirt. Now who doesn't own a shirt, right? This is probably the most basic piece in every girl's wardrobe. But few tips to keep in mind whenever you're going to shop next. Always shop for one size greater than your regular size, so that you feel comfortable whenever you tuck in, or you layer it up with a jacket or blazer. Like the one I have, I got it from H&M. This is a white shirt. This is in size L. Now I usually prefer S or M, but in shirts I always go for larger sizes. This creates a very relaxed fit, and it looks very casual too. And the another one that I have is this satin t-shirt in blue. And another tip is always look for 100% cotton or 100% linen, or anything that is pure, not a mix of anything like 98% cotton or 2% polyester. Always go for pure fabrics. It will look more comfy and more trendy. Now the 11th essential is pants. Now it will be unfair if I don't talk about pants. Now, you know, pants are very comfortable apart from our regular denims. You know, the one I have is this flared white pants. These are also very versatile. You can literally wear it with any you know, crop top or off shoulder top or cold shoulder top. It looks very classy. Also you can invest on jogger. Joggers are very comfy when, especially when you're traveling. So you can get this from, you know, Urbanic or Myntra or H&M. H&M has a wide variety of pants, especially the flared pants. Keep an eye out for sale too. You can get these pants for, you know, like $7.99 or $6.99. They look great and they can change your look instantly. The last and the most essential piece is definitely a comfy bra. Now I'm gonna make a separate video on must-have bras and type of bras you should wear under different type of tops or dresses. But for now, I think a nude strapless bra is a must. Now I have many pieces, but nothing is as comfy as this one. I got it from Zivame. I have one in black too. It has a inner lining which sticks to your body and it doesn't slip away. I love it. It is very comfy and I think every girl should invest in this piece. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Tell me in the comments below that on which essential you are going to invest next. And before leaving, please don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button, and I'll come up with another video. See you soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.